we're growing up without borders. And today we're going to show you a tour of Bienne, Switzerland. No, it's Biel. No, it's Bienne. No, it's Biel. No, it's Bienne. No, it's Biel. But which one is it? Here it depends on your language you speak, because they speak French and German.
We're already getting sidetracked. The girls just saw 50% off on shoes. And of course, since we have 3 girls that are always growing, their feet are always getting bigger, so we always need to buy new shoes. Tyler just doesn't get it though. He can't figure out why. Can you show me what you found shoe-wise?
Shoes.
There we go. Nice, eh?
And a couple.
What size are your feet already?
39.
They're 39. She's bypassed me. It's crazy. That's the Bahnhofstrasse. So the train station street. This here is one of their squares in the old city just down ahead of us. So you got these beautiful buildings here, a nice fountain like you see in most city squares in Europe. And we're gonna go check out the old town. So some fun facts about Biel and Bienne are that some of the major watch companies that you know, like Rolex, Swatch, Omega, Tissot, their headquarters are here, like literally right here. And look at what's going on here. This is cool. It's like an upstairs bar. We've got some kind of, oh, I see. It's a World Cup. One of the events that they have going on, it actually starts this Friday. It's like a whole outdoor fair. They call it the Biel Braderie, and it's like stands. So there's all different countries that are represented, and the whole city is like transformed and like stuff happening everywhere. So we were here one year. I think we can maybe find some footage from it. It's really cool. There's somebody in our video. See in a distance, the old town's coming up over there. All right, the girls and I, we're not sure what's happening in this city, but every store is having a sale. Is that
50% off.
It's like we hit the jackpot today, so we were gonna go for a nice swim, and now we're kind of changing our plans.
Maybe we should go shopping.
Yeah, the girls are like, forget about the swimming, let's just go shopping. So here we go. Let's go check out a few more stores before we check out the old town.
So here they do open air, like a theater show, like all throughout summer, and so here are some of the movies they play.
So we finally made it into the old town after all those little stores that we had to stop at. And this is what we're seeing right here. It looks like they have a theater, almost like a little open square with a beautiful fountain here in a distance. I was gonna say, check out this building here. How old do you think it is?
Quite old.
Super old, right? This is like the old city, so the people would have been coming in from different directions. I'm gonna name this now the City of the Colorful Fountains, because you see behind me, like every little corner that we turn down, you find these beautiful little fountains that are so pretty and colorful. And the old town here is kind of, I don't know how you would describe it, but it's not like where all the stores are. The stores are where we were just kind of in the newer old city, because they're both still old. But this is kind of like a quiet little old town, and it's got a really nice charm to it. It's quite beautiful. So just like they have in some of the old towns here, they have like in the basements these little stores, shops, and things like that. that I love in Europe is like you'll be walking by these like little pastry shops, and then the smell lures you in, and so like I mean it's evening time, right guys, but you still smell like the fresh bread being cooked in the streets, and it's just like so good. So we just went in, and it's not what he's baking, but we got some jambon fromage, so ham and cheese croissants and little treats like that. Little snack time. Okay, so in Switzerland they're really good at marketing, and what is one of the programs
so at
they
the
do?
co-op store, they're doing these things where every time you buy something, you get these scratchy things. So you need to get the soccer bar. And we just got 6 of them. We all got them right. So we got one mistake.
They got every single one right.
We got 2 of these for free. We got
one Coke Zero,
and then
this peach drink,
and then some points
and 500 points
for the super card. Yeah,
because there was 2.
Yay! Congratulations, girls. What are you guys checking out?
The thing that's in the water. It's like floaties, but in the water. Not floaties. Big like bouncy castles. And there's a diving board.
Looks like fun, huh?
We're gonna come back.
We're gonna come back and do that, aren't we? That is so cool. Row, row, row your boat. Be fine. Okay, look at this. It's like
Regardez ça, c'est ça, un vélo.
It's a bike car.
Bike car.
It even has a windshield wiper if it's free.
It even has a little license plate, like a little car. And then it has like that, mirrors. So you can technically drive on the road, and it runs super fast, this thing. It has real tires.
That is
It's
so
an
cool.
electric
So it's
bike.
an electric bike. Car. Like a mini car. Right here just beside Biel is this tiny little village called Nido. I think that's how you pronounce it. And it's like a little old town, very small, and it's literally right beside each other. And so today we are about to go on a boat tour. So we're gonna go experience the lakes here and see what that has to offer. So as you can see, it's like a super small little village. It has these really cool little homes all side by side. Beautiful colors and different color shutters.
So we're right now about to go on a boat tour.
So right here on Lake Biel, there's actually 3 lakes that are all connected. So Lake Biel, Lake Neuchâtel, and then Lake Merton. So we did videos on some of the other cities too, so we'll put links in the description below if you want to check out those little cities and towns as well. This work right here, just so you know. So this is where we are right now. We're on Lake Bienne, right there. And you can go down the river this way. You can do actually the 3 lakes, so you can hit every single spot. And what we're going to do today is just a little tour over to this little island and then coming back. So just a small little tour, but you can basically have a whole day and really go around the whole area, really.
I can't wait.
What can't you wait for? The boat ride?
This.
What's this?
It's basically like a big trampoline, like with slides and stuff, but in the lake.
Right over
And with a diving board and
there.
objects in the water.
That
so
looks
much
like
fun.
so much fun. Are you excited?
How do you rock climb that area?
I don't know, it looks like a rock climbing wall. So this is where you come to take the boats, and this is the boat that we're about to embark on and take a lovely tour of this lake. Should we go outside?
No, it's gonna be too late.
Let's go check upstairs.
Oops,
They are.
like a cruise, make sure you bring like a little sweater because it is quite windy, but it's really nice. It's not a cruise though. Boat ride.
Feels like a cruise. It's like going legally, yeah, it's going up and down like a cruise would. And I don't know if it's always like this, but it's pretty windy today, so the surfers are loving it and the kite surfers are loving it too. Was your belly feeling wheezy? Is it? Is your belly okay? My belly's starting to be like,
Yeah, my belly's
They have all these themed things on the boat. So they have like a line dancing boat, the 40 years and up, 30s and up. There's a kids party on the boat.
sausages and beer.
Dinner, fajita night on the boat. All different themed things.
So right now we're about to meet adopted grandparents from Africa. His name is John.
Your adopted grandparents, your adopted grandpa.
Yeah.
You excited?
He's back.
Do you feel like you're in Africa, John?
Absolutely. And there's nobody doing this. And there's all these push
Oh
chairs.
wait, you're wearing shoes. You need to take your shoes off.
Well, yeah.
So here they go. The girls are getting their life vests on. They're going to go on to these structures over here and have a blast. And they're so excited too because we have the adoptive grandparent or the adoptive grandpa who just showed up to meet up with us for the next couple days. So this is going to be really, really fun. Is it cold, girls? A little cold? Woo-hoo-hoo. Have fun! In case you want to know about the pricing to come into this beach area and have access to the whole water park and everything, it's only two francs for kids and 4 for adults. So it's very, very reasonable and really well priced. Julia?
This whole area is sandy, so it's not that rocky.
Nice, isn't it? Look, they have a little slide. It always amazes me how resilient the kids are to the cold because the water is like 18, which isn't that bad, but the wind today is just like higher than normal, so it's quite cool. You did it! Did you like it? Are you a bit cold now? Yeah. But they went in nonetheless for like a good 45 minutes.
Thanks for watching our tour of Biel. Please subscribe and don't forget to give us a big thumbs up.